Okay, so the AC is on. Been running for about 35 minutes now. Let's check the temp. Got to keep this thing a little bit away so it gets an accurate reading. Try to hold it steady as possible. Pretty cool, huh? Not too bad. So these are all the different thermal ports that I had placed on it. Delay valve, all kinds of stuff. But running pretty good, man. And I've got a small leak over here, so here, and put the laser on it. See how it's green right there? Definitely got a pinhole leak. So got this brand new with the hoses, and I'm also going to put an electric fan with the electric automatic thermostat. It's going to turn on at I forgot what the cycle was, but anyways, it's a good one. It's not going to run all the time. I think it's 225 down to like 205 is the cycle on it. So, and I've also got an auxiliary transmission coolant to try to pull a little bit more heat away from the radiator. I mean, it's still going to go through the radiator, of course. All new rubber. So, anyways, we're gearing up for it. No big rush. Running good, though. Great idle. I mean, that's with the stock carb. I mean, see no shaking at all. Anyways, better.